So now a lot of these styles are going to be common between all of the different social icons. So let's pull out the ones that are common and we'll apply them to a common selector. So here in our footer, we have our nav, and it's called site footer social nav. Everything that's going to be in here is going to be A tags. So let's just use the site footer social nav class, and then we'll use the child selector to select all of the A tags in it. All right, so I'll go back to our CSS and we'll create our selector here. We'll use the ampersand to add the site footer, and then we'll do social nav. And then instead of adding the child selector here, I'm just going to nest this. This is so that later on, if we need to apply styles to the social nav element, we'll have a space for it. So we'll use the child selector and then A. Now, all of these properties will remain the same. The before property will also remain the same except for the content. So let's take this whole bit and we'll paste it in here, and we'll remove the content line. And then down here, we'll remove everything, but we'll just leave the content line in the before pseudo selector. Let's save this and make sure that we got it right. Okay, after we refresh in the browser, it looks good.